All right, so most of you know that I recently took a DNA test through the website MyHeritage. So I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the kit today. So I just ordered it on the website. This is the kit. Mine arrived after about 6 or 7 days, I think, and that was to Spain, so it's pretty quick. The box is super nice. It's really pretty. I'm a sucker for packaging at the best of times, but this was a pretty good example of really nice packaging. I was impressed. So let's look inside the box. Boom. So it just kind of all slides open, and it's really, really nice and fancy inside. Lots of things to look at. You will see here, you've got 2 cards. One of them is the instructions for how to use this kit, and then the other one has got a code on it. You want to go to the website, log in, and then you want to register this kit because that code corresponds to this specific test kit. So do that first before you start opening any of the rest of this. It even says on the card, go and register this kit first, just in case there's any issues associating that code with your account. So do that first. And then you can see here, there are 2 plastic tubes with an orange cap. And then just down here, you've got 2 sterile swabs, also sealed. And then just here at the bottom, this is the envelope that you're going to post it all back in as well. So do not eat or drink anything for half an hour before you take your samples, before you use your swabs. I think half an hour is like the recommended minimum time. I waited like 2 hours. So I had my dinner, drank some water, and then I just went and watched a film for 2 hours, just passed some time. And I was like, now I can take my test. Awesome, my cheeks are ready. Super easy to do. Just in case you don't know how to swab your cheek, let me show you this video. Oh boy, that's attractive. So you're just swabbing inside your cheek. You're moving it up and down and then like swiveling it as well. So rotating the swab and moving it around the inside of your cheek. Yeah, fairly straightforward, right? So you've got 2 tubes and 2 swabs. And it's 1 for each side of your cheek, as in like 1 for each cheek. So when you're opening this up, do not open the tubes or the swabs until you're ready to put it inside your mouth. So get one of the tubes ready, take the cap off, get one of your swabs out, straight inside your mouth, and it's 60 seconds. So if you feel like you can't judge 60 seconds, just put a timer on your phone. Do that for 60 seconds in one cheek. You like rotate it and like rub it. This is all on the instructions anyway. And then put that straight into the tube and snap the stick off. So there's like a snapping point on the stick anyway, so it's gonna like auto snap when you bend it. So in the tube, snap it off and put the cap straight back on. So when you're looking into this kit, don't be like opening all this up and like putting it down on any surfaces. Do not put those swabs down either before or after your samples. It needs to go straight into the tube, snap, cap on. And then do the same for the other cheek as well. So have your tube ready and your swab ready. Swab, stick it in, snap, cap on. And once you've done that, you're going to put both of those tubes into this plastic bag here with the biohazardous label on it. Put all of that into this envelope and then post it off. As easy as that. I think from the date I posted it, it was about 40 days. It was bang on 40 days actually that I got my results through. 40. It's going to be, it'll vary quite a lot depending on the time of the year and how many people are queued up for their samples in the lab. So I did mine over Christmas, which probably wasn't a good idea because lots of people get these kits for Christmas. And they do run a lot of special offers throughout the year as well. So again, there might be longer waiting times. But it's pretty quick. Just have a little bit of patience. They're going to send you an email when your test results are ready. However, I did not actually get my email come through. So don't rely on that. Just like periodically check back into the account, just log in and there'll be like a notification when it's ready. Yeah, it was good. I had fun. It was a good time. I enjoyed swabbing my cheeks. I'd actually never done a cheek swab thing before for anything. I don't even know what else you'd have that done for, but I hadn't. And it was a good time. Yeah, and really impressed with the packaging as well. Really nice. Look, it's purple. It matched my hair. I love it. Yeah, any questions, just ask. Like I say, it's pretty straightforward. It's not going to take you long to do. Do not eat or drink for minimum half an hour before you do it, and make sure those swabs are going straight into that tube. Don't lay anything out or unpackage it before that time. Yeah, the instructions are in the box anyway, guys. Just read it. Take your time, read it through. Have fun.